Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Kirk Bundad, the charismatic and well-rounded Mr. World Philippines 2024, is set to compete in the Mr. World 2024 pageant on September 28 in Phan Thiet City, Vietnam. Known for his striking looks, exceptional intelligence, and dedication to various advocacies, Kirk has already captured the hearts of many Filipinos. His journey to the Mr. World stage is a testament to his hard work, discipline, and unwavering commitment to his dreams. Kirk Bundad has always been a standout, not just for his physical attributes, but also for his academic achievements and philanthropic efforts. He holds a degree in business ads, which complements in his career in modeling and acting. Kirk's academic background has provided him with a strong foundation in critical thinking and strategic planning, skills that are crucial in navigating the competitive world of pageantry. Kirk's passion for fitness and healthy living is evident in his well-being toned physique, which he maintains through a rigorous workout regimen and a balanced diet. His dedication to fitness goes beyond personal aesthetics. He advocates for a healthy lifestyle as a means to improve overall well-being and mental health. Through his social media platform, Kirk shares workout routines, nutritional tips, and motivational content, inspiring thousands of followers to lead healthier lives. In addition to his fitness advocacy, Kirk is deeply committed to various social causes. He is an active supporter of environmental conservation, participating in beach cleanups and tree planting activities. He also championed mental health awareness, using his platform to encourage open discussions about mental health issues and promote the importance of seeking help when needed. Kirk's journey to Mr. World 2024 is also marked by his cultural pride. He frequently highlights Filipino traditions, values, and heritage in his public appearances and online presence. His participation in the pageant is not just a personal milestone, but a chance to showcase the rich culture and spirit of the Philippines to the global audience. By promoting Filipino artistry, cuisine, and tourism, Kirk's aim to elevate the Philippines' presence on the world stage. With his diverse skills, including modeling, acting, and his passion for fitness, Kirk is poised to be a strong contender for the coveted Mr. World title. His participation in Mr. World 2024 promises to be an inspiring journey, highlighting his personal achievements and dedication to his advocacies. More importantly, it is an opportunity to represent and celebrate the vibrant culture and indomitable spirit of the Philippines. Kirk Bundad is not just competing for a title, he is on a mission to inspire and uplift his fellow Filipinos, making his journey to Mr. World 2024 a story of hope, pride, and perseverance.
Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pagkomento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!